In this short video, we will show you how you can customize any of the text that shows up in your session. We're going to change the response to a correct question to something else, but you can change any text. To do this, go to the options page of your session, go to quiz text and turn it on, click on edit text. You can use a search function to look for any word you want to change or just scroll down the list. You have multiple different answers for correct and incorrect answer. So if you put in correct in the search engine, you get lots of options. Once you're done making changes, you can export the changes to a Word doc for future use. To import, do the opposite. Copy the text from the Word doc and click on Import. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support@c3softworks.com.